Your soul has been waiting for more than 20,000 years for this exact moment. We are about to recreate heaven on earth. There is no coincidence. If you are here, if you found this video, you receive my calling. You receive the love that I carry in my heart space. I am here on this planet to help you remember who you are. I carry a sacred chant to activate your dormant DNA. And this time is crucial for the evolution of your soul. You've been prepared through time and space for this exact moment. Every single incarnation prepared you for this exact moment. 111 on the timer. You've been prepared. You're so protected. It is happening. It is finally happening. This life, you went through this uncertainty your entire life. You've been questioning the process so much. You doubted. You were wondering why you felt so different this entire time. And now it's finally making sense. I keep hearing that the last will be the first since this morning, and of course you understand why. I have this excitement, this joy within, because again my soul was waiting patiently. Your guides through 3-4 very evolutive movement, fast forward movement. Yeah, your guides, your ancestors, they were so, my nose is itchy, that's the truth, ready for this moment. It is happening. It is happening. We are here to ground codes from Atlantis more than ever now. You feel how I'm hearing the balance is taking place. The old is crumbling. The new is emerging. And the future is now. Karaya kumata ika kaiso. All these ancestral memories, wisdom, you've been prepared, you've been working so much behind the scene, you've been doing the work, and you're fully activating. It's so itchy, it's so the truth. You've been literally doing the work, and I feel you. I'm very connected to your heart space right now. It is so beautiful. You felt really uncertain at some point, but you kept believing. You kept trusting the Most High. You got the vision and you stayed so obedient. Your reward is here and now, as you're about to monetize fully your gifts. You're about, thank you dog for the confirmation, you're about to monetize your gift because actually you've been trained, prepared to master your gift, because guess what? Now people will need your gift more than ever, and that's the divine plan. Ooh, I got chills everywhere. Fully tuning into someone's heart space right now. Again, you're like, what the F? Since all this time, you knew this gift was supposed to serve collective, and you maybe... I think for some of you, it's pretty new. It's just, you're like... this unfoldment regarding who you truly are is just so new. It could happen also in a blink of an eye, like overnight or within the next 6 months to 1 year. You just did the work, and now you understand the full process because, again, you've been wise. You've been working on your addiction, on your traumas. You've been doing the work, you've been patient, now it's going to unfold. See, I was in my bathroom and I decided to pull some cards, and I'm going to show you what I got because it's so beautiful. And I was like, I cannot keep this for myself. I got this, you're an oracle. You've been preaching, I'm hearing the lights all around you. You've been sharing your light to people because you know this is so beautiful. The quest, you're so resilient and obedient, and wow, it's really, I'm very touched by this emotion right now. It's like, yeah, a mix between obedience and resilience and kindness. You're just so in tune with God. You're such a golden child, and you've been just preaching is the word that is coming. You just talk to people carrying this light since you're a child, and I'm tapping into an earth angel right now. You've been just... And I'm hearing also chasing pavements, so I know it was not an easy task, believe me. But you were chosen, remember. You're beautiful. You're in and out, just such a gold. You're just a diamond. You're like, tomorrow, remember tomorrow. It's the 3-3 portal. It's the massive lunar eclipse. You want to charge your water. You want to charge your water within your system. You want to charge the water that you're drinking. You want to put water in front of the moon, but you want to immerse in salty water. If you're lucky enough to live by the ocean or the sea, please just go there and have this ritual with yourself. Ends of karmic, last cords, last debris. And if you don't have the water, the ocean around, please, you grab some big salt, you take a bath or just shower. Very important. You're about to relocate, and I got in your new life. Someone is about to relocate, and this is very abundant. It's very protected. You see, you're about to enter this billion energy because you're vibrant. You've been wise. I'm talking to a wise person. You see, I got the wind of change. Everything is going to change overnight with all of these portals and all of this planetary event we're going through. I got chills everywhere because you're aligning into divine flow right now. You're so obedient that it's like, what I'm hearing is like you've been uplifted again because you've been so serious. You've been so serious. You're upgrading right now. Golden healing hands. I'm literally talking to an earth angel, a healer, an empath, an ayoka. I'm talking to shaman, to starseed right now. And be so blessed. If you want to dig deeper, check my website. And until next time,